Here's my 1994 6.5 turbo diesel, 307,000 miles, completely stock I think, except for some shitty exhaust that the previous owner put on here. Here's a bad PMD, and there's a bad PMD. I think it's bad. It won't fire with this one, and I do believe, there's the plug. We're going to try this one. I do think that this one I think is the one that sent me stuck with wide open throttle. And we're just going to try it real fast. $307,000 miles. Battery's kind of low, so let's just see what happens here. Probably will get stuck wide open. Immediately rev to red line. Or not even try. Usually at least try to fire. It did last time. Yep, the battery's dead.